Now today let's start with Unit 2, the World of Science, Chapter number 9, that is rocks and matter. So let's study about here some metals has been given to you. You have to write the name. A precious yellow metal used to make jewelry, that is gold. Right? Next, electric wire that are common made of this metal, that is copper. Next is soda cans are usually made up of this metal. किसकी बनी होती है? टिन की. Next is the most commonly found metal that is used to make steel. That is iron. Next, another piece of metal that is white in color and it is used to make jewelry and coins, that is silver. Now, another is dash is the fossil fuel. ये तो मैंने आपको बता दिया coal. Dash is the hardest natural substance found in the earth, that is diamond. The Taj Mahal is made up of marble. Next is dash is the molten rock that comes out of volcano, that is lava. Pencil lead में क्या होता है आपका? Pencil lead is made up of graphite. Metamorphic rock is a kind of, ये क्या rock है? Dash is a igneous rock used to make building, that is granite. Next is chalk is a type of limestone. Dash stones are the bubbles of volcanic lava, that is pumice. Dash are beautiful stone that is used to make jewelry, that is gemstone. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 10, space. So you have to write true or false over here. Only the surface to surface basaltic missile, it's true. Aryabhat satellite was launched in 1972, it's true. Rakesh Sharma पहले Indian person थे, yes, it's true. Next is Lysa Ray was the first woman, false. Alexei Leonosova was the first man, it's true. There were 6 manned mission, it's true. A Russia space station orbit is planet Venus, false. The escape of Earth gravity spacecraft, they need to travel at the speed of 10,000, yes. TV picture from Mars can be seen, it's false. The TV pictures from Mars can be seen live on the internet, it's true, हम देखते भी हैं. Yuri Gagarin पहली, yes. पहले मैन थे, yes, true. Now let's move to the chapter number 11, common disease. So let's study about some common disease over here. Now we have dash against cholera and yellow fever. So we have inoculation. We have dash against smallpox. Scarlet fever is contagious. Dash is caused by bite of mosquito, malaria. Dash is caused by bite of mad dog, rabies. Dash is a kind of bacteria which causes disease, that is microbes. Dash is something that stops infection by killing them. Dash is a kind of substance formed by the blood tending to destroy other substance, that is antibiotics, that is antibodies. A substance that leads to loss of sensation, anesthesia.
Là đây à kỳ rồi.
Dash is wasting disease that affect lung. Lungs को कहता है tuberculosis. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 12, science quiz. You have to tick the correct answer. The total number of teeth adult है 32. A group of 7 stars. Saptarishi, a disease caused by mosquito, malaria. The thermometer is used to measure temperature. The muscles in our body, they are attached to bones. The organ that pumps blood to the different parts, that is heart. The organ, the body has to gives out. Lungs, total number of bones 206. The moon is star. Oh, sorry, the moon is a satellite. A liquid that mixes food with our mouth, that is saline. Now let's move to the chapter number 13, medicines and some medical term. So what is the name of the instrument which is used to inject medicine into human body? तो we क्या कहते हैं उसे syringe. What do you call person who stores, handles and distribute medicines? That is pharmacist. What do you call the person who plans meals for the patient in hospital? Dietitian. Name the medicines that reduces pain. जो पेन को रिड्यूस करती है, दैट इज क्यूनाइन. What does OPD stands for? That is outpatient department. What is the name of medicine used to cure malaria? मेडिसिन जो आपको हेल्प करती है प्रोड्यूस पेन में, वो आपकी एस्पिरिन. This is Q9. Sorry, I have written wrong. Name the Indian system of medicines, that is Ayurveda. What do you call the doctor who treats the disease of heart? That is cardiologist. What is the name of machine that is used to record heartbeat? Electro. What is the name of vehicle that is used to take people to and from hospital? Now move to the next chapter, chapter number 40, computer devices. I am a dash. I can work accurately with very high speed. You can play with me. You can talk to me and you can get various information to me. So I am computer. I am brain of computer, CPU. I am input device. You can enter you can use to enter information, that is keyboard. I am also an input device. You can see me to see information, monitor. I am dash, I am input device. I am dash, I am output device. I can print out matter, that is printer. I am dash, as you can tape recorder cassette to store songs similar, that is I am floppy disk. Now move to the next chapter, chapter number 15, that is modern invention. You have to write the name of the invention. This is a machine. It is like a person. It is used for doing some risky work. That is robot. This is a tube that shape case. It is used to launch a spacecraft. That is your rocket. It is an apparatus that detects radio waves and send by distance and invisible star. That is satellite. That is your radio telescope.
Ito kada. What? Ha? Ye kaptul moya.
This is an artificial object that puts orbit using relaying back message from one end to other end, that is satellite. It is an electronic device which store information or produce required form date of this, that is computer. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 16, invention. Now different things has been invented. Jack Perlin, it is a machine that could cold water and turn into ice. That is refrigerator. Alexander Graham Bell, telephone, which is used to talk to the people.
William Muhammad Green.
Nero was an emperor of Rome. His slaves had some mountain snow and flavored it. क्या है ये? Ice creams. Thomas Alva Edison invented a useful thing for night, that is lamp. Henry Ford, क्या है ये कार है? Now move to the next chapter, chapter number 17, that is unique in science. Father of genetics. Gregor Mendel. Who invented radio, that is Eugleno Marconi. Name the world first reusable spacecraft, that is Columbia. Which is the deepest known region of the Earth's surface? That is Mariana Trench. Who discovered first radioactivity? What is the science of herd? That is Marie Curie. Which element is alloyed with iron? That is cardiology. Who invented the vaccine for rabies? Louis Pasteur. Which disease is known as lockjaw? Tetanus. What is the study of insect को क्या कहता है? Entology. Now our unit has been completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.